Hey there, fellow sewing enthusiasts and TV show lovers. Today, I want to dive into a fascinating story that's got me hooked. It's all about Anna, an amateur sewer who took a leap of faith and ended up on our screens, showcasing her talents on the Great British Sewing Bee. But this isn't just a tale of sewing prowess, it's a journey of self-discovery, environmental consciousness, and the power of pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. You see, Anna's sewing journey began during the COVID-19 lockdowns, when many of us were searching for new hobbies. She delved into fashion history, recreating historical garments, and her passion grew. Fast forward, and Anna finds herself on BBC One, competing against 11 other talented sewers. The show's themes, from sport to summertime, provide a creative challenge, and Anna's motivation is clear. She wants to work in costume design, and what better way to challenge herself than to sew on TV? Now, here's where it gets interesting. Anna's creations in episode 3 were nothing short of impressive. One of her garments even earned her the title, Garment of the Week, and Judge Patrick Grant was so moved that he shed tears, calling it one of the best things we've ever seen. But make no mistake, the journey wasn't without its challenges. Anna speaks of the time pressures, the need to chat to the camera, and the stress that comes with it all. Yet, she thrives under pressure, believing it brings out her best work. Away from the sewing bee set, Anna lives a unique life on a narrowboat in York with her boyfriend, Sebastian. They met at a gig during their university days, and together, they renovated their floating home. Anna also works part-time at a charity retail team, which just goes to show that she's not just a talented sewer but also a well-rounded individual. The impact of Anna's sewing bee appearance hasn't gone unnoticed. She's been recognized by fans, an experience she describes as strange but lovely, as everyone has been so kind. Keeping her participation a secret was a challenge, but she had a small group of supportive family and friends to share her excitement with. As for the competition's outcome, Anna remains tight-lipped, but she emphasizes the talent of her fellow contestants and the genuine friendships formed. The atmosphere on the show was lovely, and they all hang out regularly, creating a supportive community. In my opinion, Anna's story is a testament to the power of pursuing your passions and stepping out of your comfort zone. It's a reminder that sometimes, the scariest things can lead to the most rewarding experiences. So, whether you're a sewing enthusiast or just someone who appreciates a good TV story, I hope Anna's journey inspires you to take that leap and embrace the unknown. Until next time, keep sewing, keep dreaming, and keep pushing those creative boundaries.